Cessna 2308 Echo at Pasco with information Victor, west departure.
Cessna 2308 Echo, Tacoma ground runway 17, taxi via Bravo 3 and Alpha.
Runway 17, taxi via Bravo 3 then Alpha 08 Echo. Windsock's coming in from the south, looks at about 6, 7.
Thank you, that's a good habit.
Tacoma Tower, Cessna 2308 Echo, holding short, runway 17 for west departure.
Cessna 2308 Echo, Tacoma Tower, west departure approved, runway 17, clear for takeoff.
Alright. I'll go a little more right rudder. Keep the ball center. There you go.
That looks like I'm still about 20 miles out. Olympia Tower, Cessna 2308 Echo, 7 miles to the north.
State capital? That's state capital. If engine dies, where do you think you're going to land?
On the highway.
Yeah, I-5. Just keep it right there. Let it sink. A little more. Let it sink. A little more. Let it sink. See? You can do this. When you do one of these things, that's what happened. It balloons right up. Good. Just when you're at flare, just let it sink a little more. Let it sink a little more. Let it sink.